How's it going, everybody? I'm Mecca coming at you from my self-publishing blueprint, and in today's video I want to talk about what is Kindle publishing. Why don't we start off what Kindle publishing is not? Kindle publishing is not Kindle publishing. This video was inspired by somebody who asked me a question on YouTube. I've been reading that Kindle ebooks are on a decline. Does that mean Kindle publishing is dead? If I was only in this for Kindle ebooks, I'd be broke. Kindle publishing is not Kindle publishing. Kindle publishing is publishing books. I make 90%, maybe it's even higher, probably 95% of my income from paperback books that I publish, not my ebook sales. Ebook sales are crap. Paperback sales are where it's at, unless you're in fiction, then that switches. Some publishers make all of their money on Audible, on audio sales, audiobook sales. But the majority of nonfiction publishers are making their money from paperback sales. Why is Kindle publishing called Kindle publishing? Because that's how it started. That's how it originated back in what, 2012-ish, maybe prior, but that's how it started off. It was Kindle publishing. There was no Kindle Unlimited program. So Kindle sales were through the freaking roof. But now it's like a Netflix thing. You just pay monthly, you borrow it, so you're not buying the book. So royalties are lower for a lot of royalties are lower on the ebook side, but paperback sales have been steadily increasing. That's what's important, because Kindle books you make what, $2, $3 off of, whereas paperbacks you're making, I got one paperback book, it makes me $13 every single sale. What do I want? $3 or $13? $13. $13. How many ebooks do I have to sell to bring in the same profit? It's a no-brainer. So when you hear the term Kindle publishing, don't think it's just Kindle ebooks. Kindle publishing means everything. Kindle publishing is ebooks, audiobooks, and it's paperback books. It's all of them. And it's not just on Amazon. I have a book that does between $400 to $600 a month off Amazon. It's on Ingram Spark. Okay, that book consistently does $400 to $600 every month, and it's not even on Amazon. Kindle publishing is how you start. You can open it up and take it in so many different directions, and that's one of the reasons why I really think and believe that Kindle publishing is the best way for somebody who's brand new, who knows nothing about the internet, to get started making their, get started making money online. Kindle publishing is 100% the best way to do it for 2018. Hey, if you have any other questions about Kindle publishing or anything, hit me up in the comments. Let's chat. Love to connect with you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get more updates on Kindle publishing and what's going on in this world. Until next time, everybody, I'm Mecca. We'll speak to you all soon. Take care.